Believe it or not, I actually found somebody in New Jersey with a website with their business. Let's check it out, and I can at least show you guys something you can get while I'm here. Now they say chrome don't get you home, but it sure does make you look good. And you can get some chroming done over here at GTL Metal Polishing. Oh, they're metal polishing. Aluminum, stainless. So they're not chrome, but they're polishing it. So, my bad. They'll polish you up real nice. Go for it. More very rare parts. All right, so I'm here with, what is your name?
Nick.
I'm here with Nick, and guess what he sold me? Don't tell him what I paid, Nick. Don't tell him. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna put this on eBay, and we're gonna see what happens. And then I'm gonna call Nick and say, Nick, he's got a bunch of plates.
You took me.
Yeah. Oh, no, I can say he took you. I'm gonna tell you where to go. We'll start a partnership. Anyway, really cool, rare stuff here, and Nick's a nice guy, and he's even willing to be on video today, guys. Thank you, Nick.
Okay.
All right, thanks. All right, Nick's just like, well, I just showed him the video. Go, here, check yourself out on video. And he's like, you got it upside down.
Got the tag upside down.
Yeah, so you guys are going to have to just visualize that and go to YouTube to see it right side up. Sometimes, Nick, it just sucks being human. All right, so Nick was a great guy, and that was pretty cool. So we did actually pick something up. So we'll see if this is going to work out. You never know. You never know. Oh, El Camino 350. They're driving away. Ah. I was just talking with the gentleman, and I go, it's great you want to talk on video. I can't seem to find anybody in South Jersey who wants to talk on video. He's like, I'm from Pennsylvania. I'm like, ah! See, the Pennsylvanians are willing to talk to me. We'll see, let's go see what cars we can find. Guys, I owe you an apology. I did not know this thing was supposed to be like I don't know, 8 in the morning till 5 at night, and it's like 2 o'clock. I got here right after church, and everybody's leaving. So I got some vendors, you saw that. I'm gonna give you some quick cars. Most of them are gonna be on trailers. Hopefully we can get information about them, but I haven't seen a fastback yet. I haven't seen a fastback Mustang yet, and it'd be really good for me to show you a Mustang. Don't give me a thumbs down because I don't show you a Mustang. I'm doing the best I can. I'm searching, and we'll see what happens. It is a good test of my mic, so hopefully it's working well.